Are you considering KiwiHR for your business but not sure if it's the right fit? Well, before making any decisions, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know about KiwiHR. Stick around till the end because I'll be comparing it with other HR software solutions, giving you a complete picture to help you make an informed decision. First up, KiwiHR offers a powerful set of features aimed at streamlining HR processes, but you need to know how it stacks up against competitors like Gusto or Bamboo HR. While those tools are great, KiwiHR is often praised for its intuitive, user-friendly interface, which means less time spent training employees on the software and more time focused on actual HR tasks. Next thing, KiwiHR's core strength is its employee management capabilities. From tracking attendance and managing leaves to employee profiles, KiwiHR simplifies it all in one platform. Unlike some competitors, it also offers a flexible leave management system where employees can request and track their time off with ease. But if your business requires more advanced reporting and payroll integrations out of the box, you might find competitors like Gusto offer a more comprehensive package in that regard. The third thing you should know is KiwiHR's scalability. Whether you're a small team or a growing organization, KiwiHR is built to grow with you. It's a solution that caters to businesses of all sizes. One area where it shines is its simple setup and smooth user experience. Many businesses find themselves overwhelmed with the complexity of other HR tools, but KiwiHR keeps it simple, offering key functionalities without the clutter. However, if you're running a very large enterprise with complex needs, you might eventually outgrow the software as it lacks some of the highly advanced HR analytics that tools like Bamboo HR or Workday provide. Now the fourth thing, integrations. KiwiHR does offer a number of integrations with other tools such as Google Calendar and Slack. However, it might not have as many third-party integrations as some competitors. If your business uses niche tools for payroll or recruiting, you may find it slightly less versatile. On the other hand, KiwiHR's API makes it easier for businesses to build custom integrations, which could be a game changer for tech-savvy organizations. The fifth thing to consider is the pricing structure. KiwiHR provides excellent value for small to medium-sized businesses with a transparent pricing model that avoids the hidden costs you often see with competitors. However, for larger businesses or those needing more advanced features, the pricing can scale quickly, making it less competitive compared to other options. It's important to consider how much you're willing to invest based on the features your business truly needs. Moving on to the sixth point, user support is another area where KiwiHR excels. They provide multiple channels for support, including email, chat, and phone support. Many users report a positive experience when reaching out to the support team. In comparison to other HR software, where support can sometimes be slow or limited, KiwiHR stands out for its responsive service. However, it's always good to check if the support hours align with your business operations to ensure they're available when you need them. Finally, the seventh thing you should know is KiwiHR's reporting and analytics. While it doesn't have the most robust reporting capabilities compared to industry giants like Bamboo HR, it still provides essential insights into attendance, time off, and employee performance. This can be a huge advantage for small businesses looking for an easy-to-understand tool. If you need advanced, customizable reports, however, other platforms may offer more in-depth analysis. If you're still on the fence, here's the best part. You can try out KiwiHR for completely free using the first link in the description. This way, you can experience the software firsthand and decide if it's the right fit for your business without any commitment. Plus, using that link gives you access to some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. To recap, KiwiHR is an excellent HR solution for small to medium-sized businesses looking for simplicity, flexibility, and ease of use. But like any tool, it has its limitations, especially when it comes to advanced reporting and integrations. If you want to try KiwiHR for yourself and get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description now.